is my 7th report on my subject calculus 2. Let's discuss about on the higher order derivatives. So, the highest derivative of any given function is always equal to 0. That is the main point of this discussion. So, let's begin. So, the derivative of first derivative is y prime or f prime of x, or d over x y, or dy over dx is called the first derivative of f with respect to x. For example, we have the f of x equals to xp minus 3x fourth plus 3x cubed minus 2 squared plus 4x minus 10. So, first thing to do is to find our first derivative. We need to evaluate, or we need to distribute the value of any terms. So, we can come up with the answer of 5x fourth minus 12 third, or 12x cubed. Sorry, that is 12x cubed, and 6x2 squared minus 2x plus 4. Next is the derivative of the first derivative is called the second derivative of f with respect to x, and is denoted by any of the following symbols. So, y, this is the symbol, this one. So, example, to find our second derivative, f of x equals to x fifth minus 3x fourth plus 2x third plus, okay, we find the, what we call this one, our first derivative. So, we need to do our second derivative. Our second derivative can be found in our first derivative. So 5 times 4, so we can come up with 20. So, we need to minus the fourth. So, we have 20 cubed. So, minus to our 12 times 3, 12 times 3, which is 36x cubes. And then 6 times 2 is 12x. So, we have the answer of 12x. Then, we need to change the, here we are, my negative 2x plus 4. So, that is the value of 2. So, that is our second derivative. The next one is the third derivative is the with f with respect to x, and is the derivative of the second derivative, and is denoted by any of the following symbol, this one, to find our third derivative. For example, we have now the second, and need to find our third. So, 20 times 3 is 60x squared, and then 20x yan siya, sorry, that is 20x. And then, ito rin, 12x yan. 12x, 20x. So, 36 times 2, that is 72x, minus 72x. And then, positive 12x minus 2 is, that is positive 12. So, that our third derivative is equals to our 60x squared minus 72x plus 12. So, let's have an example to find our higher order derivative. So, find the fourth derivative of f of x equals, f of x equals to 4x fourth plus over 3x squared minus 4. So, f of x, our first derivative is equals to 4. We need to factor out the 4. A quantity of 4x cubed plus to our 2. Quantity of 2x minus 0. So, the second derivative is 16, quantity of 3 times to our 3x squared plus 16 times 1. Then, the third derivative, which is the 48, 48 times 2x plus 0. And then, the fourth derivative now is 96 times 1. Since our 1 is, if we times in 96, so we can get the result of 96. So, this is now our higher order derivative. And that is how we do our higher order derivative, to find our higher order derivative. So, I hope you have learn that tools. See you on my next video.